The 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith represents the pinnacle of modern grand touring luxury, combining timeless design with immense power and technological refinement. As you approach the Wraith, its commanding presence is immediately felt. The exterior design has been subtly refreshed for the 2025 model year, but it remains unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The signature Pantheon grille stands tall and proud, flanked by new, slimmer LED headlights that lend a sharper, more modern look. The long, sloping hood, sweeping roofline, and strong shoulder lines give the Wraith a sleek, coupe-like silhouette while retaining its stately charm. New wheel designs and additional paint options, including bespoke finishes, allow for greater customization and an even more personalized aesthetic. Beneath the elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. The 2025 Wraith continues to be powered by a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 624 horsepower and 605 pound-feet of torque. This immense power allows the Wraith to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.3 seconds, an astonishing feat for a car of its size and weight. The engine is paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission that shifts with seamless precision. Despite its power, the Wraith is never aggressive, it's smooth, refined, and graceful. The ride quality is nothing short of exceptional, thanks to the self-leveling air suspension that adapts to road conditions in real time. The Wraith glides over imperfections, making even long journeys feel effortless. Steering is light but accurate, and the car remains poised even at higher speeds, offering both comfort and confidence in equal measure. Inside, the Wraith offers a sanctuary that blends tradition with advanced technology. Upon opening the rear hinged coach doors, you're welcomed into an interior finished with the finest hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and polished metal accents. The cabin is designed to be whisper quiet, thanks to extensive sound insulation and a perfectly balanced chassis. Every control is placed exactly where it should be, contributing to the sense of ease and relaxation. For 2025, the infotainment system has been upgraded with a more responsive interface, offering features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an improved navigation system. The bespoke audio system delivers breathtaking sound clarity and depth, ideal for those who appreciate high-fidelity listening on the go. The Starlight headliner, made up of hundreds of tiny fiber optic lights, continues to dazzle and define the Wraith's luxurious atmosphere. Rear seat space, while slightly more limited than in a sedan, is still generous for a coupe of this caliber. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith starts at an estimated $340,000, but as always with Rolls-Royce, the final price is often far higher once personal touches and bespoke features are added. Each Wraith is a canvas, built around the desires and personality of its owner. From custom embroidery to exclusive color palettes, the possibilities are virtually limitless. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of taste, power, and individuality. The Wraith continues to set the standard for what a luxury grand tourer can be.